Hey, what's up divine beings, it's your boy Marco Jack. Today I'm gonna bring you a little different kind of video. It's gonna be a vlog. I'm gonna bring you guys with me to face one of my biggest fears in life. Heights, baby. We go on bungee jumping today.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Fun fact about 853 is that it has the world's tallest bungee jump, around 223 meters. So I'm really scared. I've been visualizing about it, but you know what? I decided to do this because right now during COVID, they are having a crazy discount, like 25% of the original price. So I'm like, yo, if I'm not gonna do it now, I'm never going to do it. And I don't want to be held back by that fear itself. You know, as a coach myself, I gotta be congruent. I gotta show my clients, I gotta show myself that I'm always evolving. So I made a video before how to get over your fears. And so, you know, one thing is like just write down the things that you're afraid of and you're gonna go do it. So today, that's me. So to prepare for this jump and have the best experience, I did a couple of things. First off, I just really was scared about the safety and issue thing. So I really researched the company H.A. Hackett and the history behind it and how bungee jump was invented and the technology they used behind it and the incidents. So right now I know it's super safe, the science is real, and you know, it's very tested. So my fear is not like a rational thing, it's just an emotional thing. So in my rational brain is like, yo, you know what? This is cool, it's not risky, no one ever died. So now it's just like me being fully committed and doing the jump. I also just watched a couple of videos on how to have the best experience, like just really enjoy it. The first 2 seconds is the most good. So if you're too scared, you won't enjoy it. So you just gotta like embrace it, let go, just trust, have faith. Yeah, this is like the theme that is also in the entrepreneurial journey. Like you gotta just have faith, trust, and go for it. So yeah, I just feel like, you know, after I do it, I'll become like a new version of myself as well. And that's also one of the reasons why I want to do it, just to challenge myself, just to do things that are out of my comfort zone. So you enter that growth zone, baby. Also did some visualizations as well as meditation, just to calm myself down, as well as just see, okay, when I'm actually on the edge, okay, how would it look like? It will look hella tall, but then hey, you just gotta let go, boom, and 1, 2, 3, go into it. And it's not just about the jump, right? It's about the whole process. So right now I'm just also enjoying the moment, just vlogging, as well as like feeling a little bit nervous, and especially in the tummy. I meditated on my first 3 chakras before I went, you know, get a little bit grounded. Let's go, let's get it. That's where we're jumping. It's my buddy Jack.
What's up, man?
He can't do the bungee jump because tore his ACL. But next year, right? You promise?
I'll do it, man.
You do it?
I'll do it, man.
With Andy or what?
I'm down.
Okay. It's on the vlog, man. It's official. Jason, how you feeling, bro?
Not so great.
Ronnie, how you feeling, bro?
Good.
Yo, what's good? We change. We're about to go jump. Feeling all right. Let's get it.
Hey, yo, dab me up, bro. See you on the other side, man.
Okay, we're doing it. Kill the fear, face the fear. Throw the top, keep it away. Woo! Fear! Okay, what do you got? Like tie. All good, all good. Mama now. Young Dolly work, bro. Okay. Now look to your right. Photo. Video. Still. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. man, oh man. Woo! That was crazy. That was crazy. Woo!
Hello bro, what's your name?
Marco Jack, baby.
Okay, your first time jumping?
Yes, sir. First time jumping.
What you feel now?
Accelerated.
Yeah, okay.
3 meters or some shit.
Yeah.
Above the sea level.
122.
Woo! Look at that view.
Doing that camera work, bro. Oh, nice.
Oh, looks good. Hey, what's up, boys? Hey. You wanna do the back thing again?
Oh.
Michael.
First time. What's good, everybody? So today, man, it was a crazy day, crazy experience. When I was on the cliff, right? And I just breathed into my heart, I just breathed into my chest, breathed into my belly, and be like, yo, we're doing it. And just went for it. It was really good. I don't want to be all like philosophical or like I don't want to like say I learned a big lesson, but like I think it's just like doing these kind of like scary things just proves to you like, hey, you know what, the scary thing itself is just the idea. Like my boy Ronnie today was keep saying, hey, fear is just a concept, you know. The only thing to fear is itself. So you know, I just want to just embody that, and I think after, you know, I've done this, even the skywalk was actually really scary. You just kind of believe in yourself more. You kind of build an identity like, oh, okay, you're actually a courageous person. So whatever your fear is, whether that's talking to someone, whether that's like showing an authentic side of yourself, whether that's, you know, doing something that's very adrenaline based like this as well, you know, go for it. Yesterday I even like I saw a cute girl and on the street and I said hello. You know, that was super scary. Like just as scary as a skywalk, just as scary as a bungee jump. But it's those little moments that kind of help us become a better version of ourselves. It's like, you know, that scary moment when it's like that cold shower, but you just look up and you just go into it. It's just same kind of feelings. All that split seconds when you go into it, it's all Gucci. So I'm just training myself to overcome that barrier of fear. And every time I do it, I think I'll just get a little bit more courageous. It's gonna be scary, even like this is gonna be scary the 5th time, 6th time I do that I do it, but it's just that ability to triumph over that fear. That ability would increase. So yeah, beautiful sunset right now, and yo, that's some crazy lighting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of it, and hey, go define your limits, get out of your comfort zone, do something that scares you, and yo, don't only list it, you gotta apply it, right? And that's why in my journey right now I want to document more for you guys, because I know I can't just preach. I gotta show you that I ain't that. I gotta go do that. You know what I'm trying to say? So peace, much love, and subscribe if you like this. Peace.
And we're back here at AJ Hager Macau Tower. We're just about to start the toad tour. How are we feeling?